Welcome to science class. In this class, we discuss about exothermic and endothermic changes and periodic and non-periodic changes in the chapter changes around us. First, we discuss about exothermic and endothermic chemical changes. Chemical reaction will be either endothermic or exothermic. Exothermic changes. The burning of magnesium ribbon gives out heat and light. Similarly, burning of wood also releases heat and light. This type of changes in which heat is released are known as exothermic changes. Endothermic changes. There are some changes in which heat is absorbed. For example, water absorbs when it evaporates to form water vapor. Similarly, ice absorbs heat when it melts to form water. Such changes in which heat is absorbed are known as endothermic changes. Dissolution of glucose in water is also an endothermic change. Next, we learn about periodic and non-periodic change. Depending on whether or not a change repeats itself after a definite period of time, it can be classified as periodic change or a non-periodic change. Periodic changes. Changes that repeat themselves after a definite interval of time are called periodic changes. Rotation and revolution of earth, beating of the heart, clock striking every hour, motion of the second hand, minute hand, or hour hand of a clock, some examples of periodic changes. Every year we observe that season changes. We go from rains to winter, winter to summer, and so on. If the winter season changes into summer, we observe change in the texture type of clothes we wear. We wear woolen clothes in winter and cotton clothes in summer. Similarly, we observe that the winter season is cool and summer season is hot. In winter, of night is longer than the summer. We take cold drinks in summer but prefer hot tea, coffee or milk in winter. These changes that we observe show the changes of season. The seasons and changes in weather occur because Earth rotates on its fixed axis. Changing seasons are almost periodic in nature. Non-periodic changes that do not repeat themselves after a definite interval of time and occur randomly are called non-periodic changes. eruption of a volcano, occurrence of an earthquake, a streak of lightning flashed across the sky during a thunderstorm, running of a batsman between the wickets, movement of legs while dancing, and a few examples of non-periodic changes. Students, I hope you have understood about the exothermic endothermic changes and periodic and non-periodic